Here's our brand new project. Hopefully it's not too full of wasps. This is a 87 little cream puff. There's a little nest that's gone. That's good. This truck is basically going to be a full flip. Oh boy. Ooh. I see him in there. There's a murder hornet of some kind. Yeah. Get out the old Wasp Spray 10,000. Probably throw that cap away. I'm going to use all this. Nope. Ah. It's the ones I can't see I'm worried about. See if the hood will open on this wreck. Certainly had them. Could the little engine that could, maybe. I'm gonna throw a battery on it today and see if it'll start. Maybe start cleaning up on it. Grandpa's camper shell got to go. Yeehaw! It's gonna look like a truck when we're done. Hopefully. Just stuff a rag in here. That's and keep the wasps out, I guess, or give them a place to live. I don't know. So supposedly, if we take our gas, we got our new battery on, and we put a little gas down the carburetor. I can't fill them up. That should be plenty. The guy said it would start, so. I'll leave you where Mike can see it if it happens. Like a sewing machine. Woo. Look at that wheel pump. I should say. A little bubbling action going on there. Well, solve that mystery. we got oil pressure. It does say oil pressure, if the gauge works. It was full of oil. It's black, but it's full. Starts from the seat. What else could we want? Let's take the hot box off. It's nice and extra crispy. He said he didn't mind, so it should just be four of these dudes. I go watch the wasp fly out everywhere now. Maybe. No.
I thought this was going to be the truck.
No, this cream puff right here.
Is he not going to hot rod this one?
I think he's just gonna sell it for whatever he can get out of it. Watch. It's the most precious, beautiful paint I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. Feel how somebody waxed that before they put this on. Feel it. That's smoother than a new car.
What about that?
Oh, that's great. Don't like nails. Free soap. Nah, let's get busy. This looks like a truck. Check her out. I'll be totally thrilled to repaint this. Right front fender, no dents. Right door, just barely some little stuff. This bedside might be the worst. Had a little something here that might actually block out with some primer. Little ding there. Just a smear of filler there. Tailgate looks good. Few little spots, not a lot. This side, bedside, so you can look down it. It's almost perfect. I'm amazed at how well they must have put that camper shell on from the factory or something. It had a big foam piece right there. See the water still beads up on it, like that smoother than my truck's paint. This door got a dent and a dent, not too bad. It's savable for sure. Fender's perfect. Hood is peeling, but it's not bad. You know, take that down the metal. It's been painted, you can tell. Let's see if I can get it on that line there. Yeah, right there. Right there at that line from here up. You know, so all this is probably peeled off before. And somebody did a quick and dirty, which was fine. It worked for a long time probably. A little bit of that left over. I did wash around the jam some. I know it got the interior a little bit dirty. I mean, it was funky anyway. He's gonna get the seat recovered. I didn't get any on the gauges, any of that stuff. This door, there we go. But overall, I don't know if I've ever seen an 87 model that is this nice, that hasn't been totally redone. So that's a factory grill, perfect. There's a little, it needs a marker light, whoop-de-doo. But I mean, even this, that little bit of wear is like nothing for these grills. So it's gonna make a really sharp truck. I'll be excited to get to work on it. So we got new wheels and tires already in for it. I'm not gonna show you those yet. We're gonna lower the rear some, probably make some shackles or put some on there I've got. Yeah, paint, interior work, exhaust for sure. I don't know how deep we're going into the motor. I mean, it is pretty perfect. Low miles truck. But yeah, it's a nice one. Let me look under it. 8 1/4. I can't see a ratio tag, but there's no rust anywhere. Especially like here. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. These are still blacked out like from the factory. Inside here, there's no overspray. I'm gonna be careful to mask all that up when I paint it. But we got us a truck, boys and girls, and I hope y'all stick around to see what I turn it into. It's got the nice mirrors even, not the big clunky ones like this. Sweet.